Today I'm going to guide you on how to add a border to a page in Microsoft Word and how to apply it to the entire document. Page borders are decorative lines that go around the edges of your document, giving it a more polished look. So let's go ahead and learn how to add a page border to a Word document. First things first, open your Word document. Next, head over to the Design tab located at the top of your screen. Then on the far right side, click on the option that says Page. This will bring up a dialog box. From here, you can choose the type of border you'd like to apply. You can also select the color, line width, or even add some artwork to customize the border. For this example, let's go ahead and select the shadow border style. Now over on the right-hand side of the window, you can choose which edges of the page the border will appear on. You'll also have the option to apply the border to the whole document or just to specific pages like the first page only. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click OK. You'll now see that the border has been applied to every page in the document. Page borders are a great way to help your document stand out and appear more professional. And there you have it. Now you know how to quickly and easily add a page border in Word. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials.